Hello. Hello, Antu. Hello. Hello, good evening, Antu. Welcome to our class. How are you today? Are you happy today, Antu? How are you today? Are you happy? Yes. Yes. Wow. And are you ready for our today's lesson? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, Antu, so for our lesson for today, so we will talk about spring. Let's say spring. Okay, one more time. Spring. Very good. So today's lesson, so we will talk about spring. So when we say spring, this is the season where plants, flowers, and all of the plants grow. So they grow. Yes. So in this season, this is the season where plants and flowers grow. So we will talk about this one in this lesson for today. So for us to know more about spring, so let us watch a video. So let's watch our warm up video. Okay, just one moment. Okay, so that is the things that we can see when spring season comes. So we can see bees, we can see butterflies, we can also see ladybugs. And as we can see in the video, so there are a lot of flowers because in spring, in the spring season, we can see a lot of flowers growing. Okay, so next. Okay, let's take a look at our first picture. So this picture, so this is spring. Yes, very good. And what can you see in the picture, Ansu? What animal is this? This is this is a bird. Yes, so this is a bird. And look at this two animals. What animals are this? These are butterflies. Let's say butter, flies. Very good. And we can also, wow, very good. And we can also see flowers. Let's say flower. Very good. So that is the things that we can see in the spring season. So now let's go with our next picture. So what is this? This is a flower. Yes, very good. So this is a flower. What color is the flower, Antu? It is. What color is the flower? It is color. What it is color? Red. Uh, let's say red. Very good. So this flower is color red. So next, let's go with this animal. What animal is this, Antu? This is a bird. Wow, very good. This is a bird. One more time. Let's say bird. Bird. Yes, good job. So next. Okay, what animal is this? This is a bunny. Bunny, very good. One more time. What animal is this, Ansu? Bunny, very good. Wow, good job. So next, wow, what do we call this object that we can see in the sky? This
Okay,
is
cow.
this is rainbow.
A rainbow.
Very good. So this rainbow, so we can see it in the sky. So it has a lot of colors. So next, okay, what weather is in the picture? So we call
Victor.
so we call it rain.
Wind.
Very good. One more time. Rain. R,
A
r,
wind.
rain. Good job.
Wind.
Very good. And the last one, what is this? This is a bike.
A bat.
Very good. Bike. One more time. Let's say bike.
Bike.
Good job. And next, for our last object, what is this?
Bird.
Very good. This is a ball. Let's say ball. One more time. Let's say ball.
Bird.
Good job. So we will talk about these things that we can see in the spring. So let's go with our next page. Okay, let's read the first one. Let's say,
Car.
very good, the
Car.
ball. The ball. What kind of ball is this? This is, we call it soccer
Soccer.
ball.
Ball.
Very good. And what color is the soccer ball? Its color black
His color black
and white.
in white.
Very good. So this is a soccer ball. So very good. So next, let's go with our next page. Okay, so let's take a look at the picture. These are bikes.
The white.
Very good. The bikes. One more time. Let's say the bikes.
A pie.
Very good. How many? How many bikes are there in the picture, Ansu? There are, let's count. One, one,
One. Uh,
two.
two.
Very good. There are two bikes. Let's say there are two bikes.
Wow.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next these animals. What animals are this, Antu? These are the the birds.
We are burgers.
Very good. One more time. Let's say the birds.
The bird.
Very good. How many birds are there in the picture? There are one,
You.
two,
Two.
three.
The wheel.
Let's say three birds.
The beautiful.
Very good. Three. One more time. Let's say three. Three.
The wheel.
Three. Three.
The wheel.
Birds.
Oh.
Very good. And they are, let's say they are color. Color. What color are they? Brown. They are brown. Let's say brown.
Wow.
Very good. So next, let's go to our next thing that we can see in the spring. We can say the flowers.
A tower.
Very good. How many flowers are there in the picture? Let's count. One, two, three,
Around
four.
4.
Okay, so there are four
The
flowers.
ladder.
Very good. Let's say four flowers.
Around the
Very good. And what color are the flowers in the picture? What color is this, Ansu? This is color yellow.
yellow.
Very good. This one is color purple.
Purple.
And this one is color red.
Red.
Very good. So these are the color of the flowers in the picture. So
Green.
yes, very good, Ansu. So next, let's go with our next one. Let's say the rain.
The wind.
Very good. So let's take a look at the picture. So this is the cloud, a cloud.
The ladder.
One more time. Cloud.
The water.
Very good. So these are, or this is a cloud. So it has, or it, or the water falls from the cloud. So as we can see, so this water fall from the clouds. That our
The
meaning,
fire. The
yes,
fire.
yes. So meaning it is raining. So there is rain. Yes. So next, let's go with our next page. Okay, let's take a look at it in our picture.
Green.
The rainbow. Let's say the rainbow.
The rainbow.
Very good. And let's take a look in the colors that we can see in a rainbow. We have here color red,
Red.
red, orange,
Red. Orange.
yellow,
Yellow.
green,
The wind.
indigo,
Window.
blue,
Blue.
purple.
Purple.
Yes, so these are the colors that we can see in a rainbow. So these are many colors in the sky. Yes, so usually we can see rainbows after rain or after the rain.
So
And yeah, after the rain
that are blue.
and sunshine.
A sun.
Yes, so this is, what is this, Antu? This is rainbow.
A
Rain, rain. Let's say rain,
wind.
bow,
Ball.
rainbow.
Window.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next one. This is the bunny.
The ball.
Very good. So this is a bunny. So what color is the bunny? Antu? It is color. What color is it? It is color
It's
brown.
color. The white.
Brown. Very
The white.
good. Very good. And how many rabbit are there in the picture? There is only, let's count.
Lý.
One. So we only have one rabbit.
Bờ vịt.
We only have one. One. So this is one rabbit or bunny. So when we say bunny, it is a small rabbit. Okay, so next.
Bờ vịt.
Yes, very good. So next. So this season we call it the spring.
Bờ vịt.
Very good. So as we take a look in the picture, this is the season when flowers bloom and the weather is warm.
Blue.
Yes. So let's take a look in this animal again. And to what animal is this? This is a
Pig.
bird. Very good. This is a bird. Let's say bird.
Bird.
Very good. How about these animals? These two animals. These are butterflies.
These are butterfly. Fly.
Butter.
Butterfly.
Very good. Wow, these are butterflies. How about this one? What are these? These are flowers. These are flowers. So we have here different color of flowers. So we can see these flowers bloom in the spring. Let's say flowers.
Flower.
Very good. And what is this, Antu? This is
This is
the sun. Sun. This is the sun. And this is the cloud.
cloud.
Sun.
Sun.
Very good. So this is the spring season. So next, so let's take or let's answer all of the pictures if you remember what we have learned. But first, let's read the words. Let's say bird. Let's say bird. Can you say bird?
Hop.
Very good. Ball,
Hop. Hop.
bike,
Papaya.
bunny,
Bóng nhìn bờ bờ. Gai. Bóng
r-
nhìn
rainbow.
bờ bờ.
One
Tí.
more,
Bóng bờ.
one more time. Let's say rainbow,
Green ball.
spring,
Green ball for green.
flower,
Green ball for flower.
rain.
Green flower.
Very,
Green.
very good. So let's take a look in this picture. What do we call this season in the picture? This is
Eat the water.
spring. Let's say spring.
Green.
Very good. And what do we call this one? This. This is
Pig.
flower. Let's say flower.
Flower.
Very good. So next, how about our next picture? Let's take a look. This one, what animal is this?
Animal.
This is this one.
Biết chưa tao?
This is bird.
Bird.
Very good. How about this one? What animal is this, Antu? This is
No.
bunny. Bunny.
Mommy, no.
You know. Next, what do we call this one?
Is.
This is rainbow.
Rainbow.
Very good, rainbow. Next one. How about this one?
Rainbow.
This one. This is rain.
Window.
Next, what do we call
Window.
this object, Antu? Look at the picture. What do we call this object? This is a bike.
Hi.
Very good. How about this one? What is this? This is a
This is
ball,
all.
ball. Very good. So this is a ball. Good job. So next, let's go with our next page. What animals are these, Ansu? These are, what animals are these in the video?
Video.
What animals are these? These are bird.
Boss.
Very good, birds. So now let's read the sentence. The birds, the birds. Let's read. The birds
Bubble.
are singing
Singing.
on the tree.
The tree.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next page. What is this that we can see in the sky? This is rainbow. Rain. What is this,
Rainbow.
Ansu? Very good. Wow, good job. So this is a rainbow. Now, let's read our sentence. I see. Let's read. I see a. What can you see in the sky? I see
I see
a
a
rainbow
rainbow.
in the sky.
It's a cat.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next one. What is the girl riding?
The
This is
wiping.
this is bike. Bike.
Guy.
Very good. So now let's read the sentence. She is she is riding. Let's read. She is
She is
riding
riding
a bike.
a bike.
Very good. So next, let's look at the picture. What are the children doing? Or where are the children? They
The
are
teacher
they are in the rain.
read.
Very good. So now let's read our sentence. The kids
The teacher
love playing,
the riding.
love
The
playing, playing in the rain. In the rain.
in a ring.
Very good. So next, let's go with our next page. What animals are this, Antu? These are bunny.
Bomb.
Very good. So now let's read the sentence. The bunny, let's
Eat
read,
good.
are,
Tree.
the bunny are,
Tree.
the bunny are so So cute
The cute.
with white fur.
The rifle.
Very good. Good job. So take a look in the picture, Antu. How many bunnies are there in the picture? How many bunnies? There are one,
There
two,
are two,
three.
three
So three bunnies.
bowling.
Let's say three. Three. Uh,
Three.
yes, good job. So next. So what are these, Antu? These are the bikes.
The bike.
Very good. How many bikes are there? There are one, two.
Two.
There two bikes.
The children.
Very good. So for this one and two, so we will end our lesson here. So good job in today's lesson because I can see that somehow you
Yeah.
can, yes, I can, teacher can see that you can somehow answer some of the objects in the picture. So good job, Antu. And see you again soon. Bye bye, Antu. And let me go with your brother. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Này. Ê, chị ơi, dậy. Hello, teacher.
Oh, hello, good evening, Dankwa. Welcome again to our class. So, how are you today, Dankwa? How are
Yes.
you? How are you? Are you happy today?
Yes. I am happy.
Yeah. Yes. Wow, that's good to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
Recognize pass.
Yes. Wow, very good. Bunkers. Okay, one more time. Can you read this one?
Both
Bunkers.
lies to pass.
Very good. One more time. Let's say this word. Let's say bark.
Bar.
Very good. So for this one, our lesson for today, so we will talk about Bunker. So this is a story about Bunker, which a dog that likes to bark. So when we say bark, yes, so this is the loud sound that dogs do, like this in the picture. So bonker. So this is bonkers. So it is or he likes to bark. So let's go with our next page and let's learn about this story. But first, let's watch. Oh, we cannot watch the video, but let's go with our next page for us to start our lesson. So now, let's take
Oh,
a look. Let's take a look at our first picture. What is the dog doing in the first picture? The dog
ah,
bark. Very good. So for our first word, it is bark. So next, let's go with our next picture. What is this?
pass.
Very good. One more time. Let's say bike.
Back.
Bike. Very good. So this is a bike. So next, who are
Desk.
they? They are
There's
kid. Let's say
kid.
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 Very good. So these are kid or children.
Or children.
Very good. So next, what is or what animal is this in the picture?
The
Do you know what animal is this? It is this one. Can you read this one?
is a squid.
Squirrel. One more time. Let's say
Squid.
squirrel.
Squirrel.
Very good. So what animal is this, Dankwa? This is a
Skill.
squirrel.
Squirrel.
Okay, one more time. Let's say squirrel.
Squirrel.
Very good. Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Very good. So next, what animal is this? This is a
Book.
bird. Very good. And let's take a look in this one. So what are these? They are
Sit.
kid. They are kid. And let's take a look at their or what are they doing? So they are holding. They are
Sit.
hold yes, they are holding each other's hand. So for this in the picture, so we can describe the picture as the word like.
Like.
Like, very good. So in the picture, so these the girl likes each other. So let's learn more about of this word. So let's go with our next page. Okay, so please read this one.
Uncle. Like. Back.
Very good. So let's read this word again. Let's say bonkers.
Uncle.
Very good. And for this one, Rangwa, what animal is bonker?
Dog.
Very good. Let's say it's a
Is a dog.
very good. It's a dog. And what is let's this one. What is the dog's name? What is the dog's name?
Uncle.
Bunker. Very good. So Bunker is the name of the dog. So let's move to our next question. Next question is where is the dog? Where is the dog?
Dog is the back.
The dog is
Con chó đâu rồi?
where is the dog?
Is the dog is
The dog is
the house.
yes, very good. Outside the
Outside the house.
very good. So the dog is outside the house. And in this picture, Dangwo, what does Bonker likes to do? What does Bonker likes to do?
Bunker is a is
Con cứ
bunker is
làm gì?
Bonk
bunker is like parks. Park.
very very good. So Bonker. So can you read this one? Bonker.
Bunker lies to parks.
Very good. Good job. So Bunker likes to bark. So now let's go with our next page. Let's read this one.
Bunkers lie to parks. Park as a gas.
Very good. So Bunkers likes to bark at cars. So now teacher has a question. And what is Bunkers doing?
Bunker đang làm gì vậy?
Bunker is box.
Very good. Bunker is
Barking at cars.
very good. So Bunkers is barking at cars. And let's take a look in this picture. What is the color of the cars? What is the
Red,
color?
red, orange, yellow.
Very good. So they are red and yellow. Good job. So in this picture, so Bunkers likes to bark at this car. So next, let's go to our next page. Let's read this one.
Bunkers like to bark at cars.
Okay, very good. So Bunkers like to bark at cats. So teacher has a question here. So are Bunkers and the cats good friends? Why?
Bunker và những con mèo có phải là bạn tốt của nhau không? Tại sao?
No, no.
No. No, very good. And why? Why not?
Bunker is bark at car.
Very good. Because Bunker is barking at the cats. So they are not friends or
Yeah,
good friends. So they are not good
no.
friends. Very good. Good job. And let's take a look in the picture. What are the colors of the cats?
Is the white and and uh, and yellow.
Yellow. How about this one? What color is or are these? The stripes. These are
Black, black.
black. Very, very good. Good job. So the colors of the cats are white and yellow and black. So very good. So they are not good friends because bunkers are barking at the cats. So next, let's read this one.
Bunkers like to bark at bikes.
Very good. So Bunker likes to bark at bikes. So let's go with our question. So do you think the boy and the girl live at Bunker's house? Why?
Bạn có nghĩ cậu bé và cô bé sống ở nhà của Bunker không? Tại sao?
Yes or no?
No,
No. Wow. Why? Why no? Because
because it's a girl and boy pick is a pie.
is passing by. Wow, very good. Is only passing by. So no, because the girl. Okay, can you read this one? No.
No, because the girl and boy in only passing by by
By bike. Very good. By bike. By, let's put that one.
by
So by bike. And bonkers or
and
bunkers.
bunker packing a chair.
Very good. So basically, so the boy, so this boy and the girl are not or do not
Mm,
live at Bunker's house because they are only passing by, riding a bike. And Bunker is also barking at them. So as we can see, when dogs or dog barks, so they do not know the person or the animals. That's why they are barking at them. So very good. And let's take a look with the bicycle or bikes in the picture, Dangwa. What are the colors of the bikes in the picture?
Yellow and black. Why?
Black. How about
Why?
the other bike? What is the color of the other bike? This one. What is the color of this?
I green and yellow,
Y-
black. Why?
This one. Let
I
me
green, I
this
good,
this
I good,
is
I
r-
good,
red.
red.
Yeah, so the other bike is color red. So good job. Good job in answering our question. So next, let's read this one.
Bunkers flies to park at the crisp.
Okay, very good. So let's read this word once again. Let's say squirrels.
Squirrel,
Very good. Can you say it one more time? Squee, squee,
squirrel,
squirrels.
squirrel,
Okay, let's try it saying it 3 times. Squirrels, squirrels, squirrels.
squirrel, squirrel, squirrel.
Very good. So good job. So for this one, teacher has a question. So do you think that bonkers can catch those squirrel? Yes or no, and why?
Bạn nghĩ Bonker có thể bắt được những con sóc đó không? Tại sao?
Yes
No,
or no? Why? Why? Why not?
because squirrel is fast.
Very
Fast.
good. Wow, very good. So because squirrels are fast and they are in the
Uh,
fence. So because squirrels are fast and they are in the fence, bonkers, this one
cannot
can bonkers
cannot
can
cannot carry.
very good. So one more time, let's read this word. Let's say climb.
Climb
Very good. So bonkers cannot climb in here. So very good. So squirrels are also fast. That is why bonkers cannot catch those squirrels. So very good. So let's take a look at the picture. How many squirrels are there in the picture? How many?
uh, a tree.
Very good. So let's say there are
Trees.
squirrels.
Squirrels.
Very good. Good job. So there are 3 squirrels in the picture. So good job. So next. Okay, let's read this one.
Bunkers like to pack at as kiss.
Very good. Let's say kids.
Kiss.
Very good. So teacher has a question here. So are the kids scared of bunkers? Yes or no? And why?
Các em nhỏ có sợ Bonker không? Tại sao?
Yes or no? Are the kids scared of bunkers?
Yes.
Are you sure?
And no.
No, because look at the picture. So the kids are, what are they doing? They are,
Happy.
yes,
As
they
a
are,
laugh.
yes, they are smiling. They are happy. So no, the kids are not scared. So they are just walking. They are just walking calmly. So let's read this one. No.
No, the kids are not scared. They are just waking calmly and happy.
Very good. So let's read these words again. Let's say just,
Yes,
walking,
walking
calmly.
calmly.
Very good. So no, the kids are not scared of bunkers. So because they are smiling. So when they are scared, so you can see it in their face. So they look scared. So for that one, so no, the answer is no. So good try. So next, let's read this one.
The uncles lies to pass a bus.
Very good. So let's read this word again. Let's say bark.
Ah,
Good job. So teacher has a question. So do you think that bunkers will catch the birds?
Bạn có nghĩ rằng Bonker sẽ bắt được những con chim không?
Yes or no?
no, because birds is fly.
Very good. Wow. No, because birds can fly and thus bunkers have wings. Do bunkers have wings? Yes or no?
No,
No, very good. So in this picture, so the birds have wings, so they can fly, so they cannot be catch by bunkers. And bunkers, so he do not have wings, so it cannot catch the bird. So very good, Dangwa. So next, let's move on to our next one. Let's read.
uncle lies to back at bunk.
Very good. So bunkers like to bark at bunkers. So now, who is there in the mirror?
Ai đang ở trong gương vậy?
Who is in the mirror? It is
Bunk,
it is
bunk,
Bunker. Very good. So it is himself or the dog himself, the dog itself. So it is Bunker. So Bunker is also barking. It are at itself. So very good. So it is bunker. So next, let's have a recap about what we have learned for the words that we have learned earlier. So let's take a look with this one.
bark,
Bark. Very good. How about this one? This. What animal is this?
dog,
This one.
squeak,
Very
squeak,
squirrel. One more time. Let's say squirrel.
squirrel,
Good job. How about this one? What is this?
bye,
Bike. Very good. And what what are this? What animal is this?
bus,
Bird. And what word can we describe in these two children or two girl? It is
lie,
like. Very
lie,
good. Like. How about this one? What do we call them?
kid,
Kid. Good job. And we can call them as? We can also call
children,
them children. Very good. So next, let's answer some activities in our next page. So in this video, what is the dog doing?
dog is the back,
Bark. So the dog bark. So let's take a look in our sentence. Since it is happening now, so we will add ing in the word bark. So the word will be barking.
barking,
Okay, so let's read this one. The small dog
dog, small dog is barking. at a small place.
Very good. A small dog is barking at a small plant. So next, let's go with our next page. What animal is this?
Bus
Bird. And do you know what is this?
is a
We call it as,
house bus.
yes, house of the bird and bird's
Yes.
nest. Yes. So this is where the birds lay eggs. So they lay eggs in the nest. So next. So let's read our sentence.
A bus is flying to its nest.
Very good. So the bird is flying to its nest. So next. Okay. So let's take a look in the picture. What are the children doing?
The children is pie.
Very good. So the children are riding a bike. So now let's read our sentence.
Two kids are riding by.
Very good. And how many bikes are there in the picture, Zhangguang? There are how many
Two,
bikes? Two bikes. Good
two
job. So
bikes.
there, two bikes. So next, okay, what is happening in the picture? Or what is the weather in the picture?
Rain.
Rain. Very good. It is raining. And now, yes, so the weather today is rain or rainy,
Rain.
rainy day.
Rainy
Yeah,
day.
very good. So now, let's go with our question. So what happened after Bonkers bark at the bird, the squirrel, and the cat?
Chuyện gì đã xảy ra sau khi Bonker sủa vào con chim, con sóc và con mèo?
What happened?
Is is
Can you read this one after? Let's read this one. After,
Sir Bunker's Baker to push Felice away. The squirrel ran off, and the cat Waker away.
very good. So now let's read these words again. Let's say barked,
But
flew,
flew,
walked.
walked.
Very good. So now let's have our next question. Do you think that dogs bark at so many things? Yes or no?
Bạn có nghĩ rằng chó sủa vì nhiều thứ như vậy không?
Yes or no?
No,
No?
yes.
Yeah. Yes. So let's read this one. The answer to this one.
Yes, dogs have as many things. Not using strength ones they packs when they active playful on gradies.
Very good. So now let's read these words again. So let's read this one. Strange,
Strength
excited.
excited.
Very good. So no or yes, dog bark at many things. So very good. So next, let's have our other question. My friend says that dogs just bark at strange things. Do you agree? And why?
Bạn tôi nói rằng chó chỉ sủa những thứ lạ. Bạn có đồng ý không? Tại sao?
Yes,
Yes? Yes or
yes,
no?
dog.
Yes, they
Yes,
bark. Yes, mostly. Yes. So yes, Mostly they bark at strange things because
tree. There's more to the bark us to train things because they do not go to people.
very good. So mostly they bark at strange things, especially those who do not they know. That is why they bark. So next, okay. So let's take a look with this one. So we have here living things and non-living things. So when we say living things, Langkwa, these are, can you read this one?
Livity.
Yeah,
Non-living. Living
this one. Living things.
Alice like cats and kids.
Very good.
Living
So the
non-living and alive pie and cats.
very good. So now let's read these words again. Let's say alive.
Alive.
Very good. And next, non-living things.
Not living.
Very good. So now, when we see living things, Langkwa, so these are the things that are alive, like us humans. We are alive. We can grow, we can eat, and we can move. On the other hand, non-living things, so these are the things that are not alive, like bikes and cars. So they are not alive because they cannot move by themselves. So they need people to ride them. So now, let's have this activity. So what are the things that dogs barks at? In the story earlier, what does Bonkers barks at?
Not
Bonkers bark.
passing. Not bonkers. Not living.
This one. Let's have these words. Okay.
As birds squeeze the children. Cats.
Car.
But
Very
car.
good.
But
Okay, so for this one, Dangkwa, which are the living things? When we,
dog.
which are the
Not
living
living.
things?
Not living.
Okay, so let's have this one. Can you listen to this one?
Sinh vật sống, đang sống,
Not
ví dụ như
living.
mèo và trẻ em. Vật vô tri vô giác thì không sống, ví dụ như xe đạp và ô tô.
Okay, so in these words, Dangka, which are the living things? We have here
Living.
cats, birds, squirrels.
Little children.
Yes, very good. So those are the living things. So when we say living things, they are alive, like us. On the other hand, non-living things are, what are the
Cat.
non-living things? Car
Dog. Pie.
and bike. So very good. So these are the non-living things and living things that dog barks at. Okay, so for this one, so we will end our lesson here, Dankwa. So thank you very much for your time today. And for this one, teacher suggests that you practice the word squirrel and practice
Squid.
more. Yes, practice more of the living things and non-living things. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, Dankwa. You did a great job today and see you again soon. Bye-bye,
Goodbye,
Dankwa.
goodbye, teacher. See you again in
Thank you
June.
so much. Bye-bye.
See you again in September.